Salam doston, hey there friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Hussein. This is week 49. One more week to go and then we'll complete this video series of 500 most common words and phrases in Tajik. So let's get started. I'm looking for man mekobam or man mejӯям. I'm looking for man mekobam or man mejӯям. Man mekobam is more common. Alright, the sentence. I'm looking for my key. Man калиди худро мекобам. Man калиди худро мекобам. There is an easier way to say the same sentence without худро. So man калитамро мекобам. Man калитамро мекобам. Both man калити худро мекобам and man калитамро мекобам, they both mean the same thing, just that the second one is a little easier. ATM, Bankomat. ATM, Bankomat. Bankomat. Alright, the sentence. To see the list of ATM locations, use the following link. барои дидани рӯйхати ҷойгиршавии банкоматҳо аз пайвандаки зерин истифода намоед. One more time. барои дидани рӯйхати ҷойгиршавии банкоматҳо аз пайвандаки зерин истифода намоед. It's a long sentence. It's quite formal. And I got this sentence from the local bank in Tajikistan. Asъor Bank is one of the best banks in Tajikistan. And that's how they put it there. And the word payvandak is not that common yet in Tajikistan. Instead of that, we usually use the Russian word, which is silka. Silka is more common. Currency, asъор. Currency, asъор. So one card, three currencies, somoni, dollar, and ruble. So in Tajik, як корд се асъор. Somoni, dollar, va ruble. One more time. یک корд се асъор, somoni, dollar, va ruble. So this sentence, one card, three currencies, just describes this card. So this card is from Alif Bank, is one of the banks in Tajikistan, and it allows you to use three currencies just in one card, ruble, somoni, and dollars. Somoni is the currency in Tajikistan. This bank, Alif Bank, is not sponsoring this video. It just happened that I have this card with myself today. If you want to learn more about the Tajik currency, the money that we use in Tajikistan, somoni, you can watch our video about that. The link will be in the description. Exchange office, Mubodilai Asъор. Exchange office, Mubodilai Asъor. Mubodilai Asъor. Alright, the sentence. There are many exchange offices in Panchanbe. Panchanbe is the market. It's located in the city center in Khujand, our hometown, and it's in northern Tajikistan. Alright, the same sentence in Tajik. Дар Панчанбе нуқтаҳои мубодилаи асъор зиёданд. Дар Панчанбе нуқтаҳои мубодилаи асъор зиёданд. Street, Кӯча. Street, Кӯча. Кӯча. I found 10 somoni in the street. Ман дар кӯча 10 somoni ёфтам. Man dar кӯча 10 somoni ёфтам. So, lucky day. 10 somoni is about $1, and you can do lots of things with 10 somoni. For example, you can have a simple lunch. You can pay for the taxi if you are in the city center. You don't go too far. And you can also buy ice cream and buy one for your friend because ice cream is quite cheap. Building, Bino. Building, Bino. Bino, easy. Бино. So the building is located in the city center. Бино дар маркази шаҳр ҷойгир аст. Бино дар маркази шаҳр ҷойгир аст. This place, инҷо or enjoy. This place, injo or enjoy. Jo and joy, they both mean the same thing. So the sentence. This place is so beautiful. Injo خیلی زیبا است. Injo خیلی زیبا است. Before, pesh. Before, pesh. Pesh. So lock the door before you leave. پیش از رفتن در رو قلف کنید. پیش از رفتن در رو قلف کنید. Later, Dертар or Баъдтар. Later, Dертар or Баъдтар. Dертар or Баъдтар. Be careful with the word Баъдтар, because if you just say it without alomati sakta, without a, Ba'dtар, it will mean worse, worse. So Ba'dtar means worse, Ba'dtар means later. Alright, the sentence. Can you call later please? Метавонид дертар занг занед? Метавонид дертар занг занед? After, ba'd as, or pass us. After, pass us, or ba'd us. You can use both, pass us or ba'd us. Pass us is more formal. We often played football after school. мо аксар вақт баъд аз дарс футбол бозӣ мекардем. мо аксар вақт баъд аз дарс футбол бозӣ мекардем. Alright, that's it for today. I hope you learned something new, and in this video we included many things about Tajikistan as well. I hope it was useful. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. Stay tuned. See you in the next video. Khair.